If you have a boring life, get a cat. Don't know why? Let's watch today's funny cat videos and moments to find the answer. Cat is an understanding animal. They will wait their turn to be played with.
No.
Nope, that kiss is for his mum only. If you push a cat to the wall, he will absolutely become unreasonable. That's the perfect costume to hide himself and have a good sleep. Even cats have the priority. Always sleep first.
Oh boy.
He seems very determined to touch his dad. Or not. One kiss a day keeps the sadness away. In case you don't have any accessories, cat could be a good shoes tag. Your enemy is cat's enemy. If you hear a notification from your cart asking for a kiss, you couldn't refuse. Cuddling with your cat is the perfect way to get rid of stress. Now he can fulfill his dream to become a drummer, thanks to him. Cats fear nothing. If you ask for a fight, they'll become your opponent. You'll be amazed of how easy it is to tease a kitty. White Boy seems not to even think about surrender to this little game. This tabby has a pretty complicated procedure to take a bite. Head touches the sky, feet touches the ground. What a great kitten! Looks like technology surprises the cat a lot.
Да ну непонятно. Да, я понял, вид на жительство.
When the cat is hungry, he becomes such a nice child. There is a fact that kitty will sleep well the most beside the one they believe.
I put on all the stuff I had to do until today. And now, ow.
Well, never say something about those cats without their permission.
Yeah?
Finally, with some help, Dude walks his first step to become a good hunter.
Gonna get the fly?
He must not be a good dad. Kitty needs to be by his side all the time to watch him.
Dön 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 dön. 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 Dön.
Cat's love language is something unpredictable. It seems that he isn't interested in the Pocky game anymore. With that immunity and dizziness, he could become a great astronaut.
Oh no, 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 don't bring him near me, he'll be mad. Oh!
Don't even think to go to sleep before them. Having a normal sleep is the wildest dream of a cat owner. Sometimes their infinite cuteness can be a distract to you. Be careful. Don't you dare interrupt her beautiful dream. Though it rains, the stroll time needs to be done. That's Cat's discipline. The secret of having a good meal is giving your cat a good bite first. This kitten wants to be a baby so that he can be loved unconditionally by his parents.
Hi, honey. Hi. Whiskers. It's super dense.
In the end, nowhere is warmer than the hands of your parents. Cat never refuses an ice fight. He just doesn't want to see his loved one losing. Well, not only humans get sleepy while learning, but cats also. Have you had fun watching these cuties? Let us know in the comments. Now, see you again with more kitties in the next video.